Hello everybody, this is Brian Wilkerson from Alaria Tech and MA-Motorsports. Wanted to talk to you guys about our S14 Weld-In Transmission Tunnels. So we've been making these weld-in-yourself transmission tunnel kits for the S14 chassis for about a year now. And with quite a few of them out in the wild, I thought I'd give you guys a rundown on them because we still get plenty of questions. So this is the standard tunnel with the cutout for the throttle pedal. Now, this is designed to locate the factory throttle pedal in the factory location. If you're doing Formula Drift Pro Spec, you need to use factory pedals, and you might want to use a factory location throttle pedal. So we do this, just leave space to have hanging pedals as opposed to using a floor mount pedal box. So this particular car is a project in motion, and you can see we did this dry sump tank bulkhead here that welds directly to the tunnel. But that's the tunnel and how it fits. It keys into all the factory shapes here and on the firewall as well. So we sell two variations of the transmission tunnel. One is if you plan on using a pedal box on the floor. We sell one that has this bead roll go all the way down the length of it. So you would weld this tunnel in, and then you might put a pedal box on the floor, left-hand drive, right-hand drive, dependent, and you're not really concerned about space for your throttle pedal. The other variation that we make is this one right here, and you can see it has a big empty space here, and that is so that you can weld in your own panel that we supply to locate the throttle pedal. So when you get this panel, it has a couple scribe marks on it. Right there, these little L shapes. So the point of those little L's is where you drill your hole to locate your throttle pedal. Factory S chassis throttle pedal will bolt right there. And then in order to locate that in the tunnel, we have a scribe line here on the inside. So you carefully cut this scribe line out. See it there? You cut that out, and then you weld this panel on, and then you can have something that looks like this. This is one outside of a car with the panel already on it. As you can see, it's just tacked on there, but that's the other option. And that locates your factory throttle pedal in the exact location it was. And here's a better look at the contours of your firewall. So that all just keys right in there. All of our transmission tunnels are designed with the Formula Drift rulebook in mind. So the width, length, and the spacing, distance to the windshield are all things we consider when designing these, so they should fit well within the rulebook. So that's basic info on our weld-in transmission tunnels for the S14 chassis. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments or certainly shoot us a message or email. All that information will be in the description of this video. We have other applications coming, S13, E36, and E46 all coming soon, hopefully before the end of 2024. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. We'll have some more videos on all those products as well as other really cool projects. Thanks for watching.